Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Razak. I would like to start the video by saying I am not a financial advisor, just someone with high knowledge in the financial world and the stock market, and I'm sharing my perspective on what I believe is currently happening in the stock market in the month of March, and what I believe is going to happen in the stock market in the month of April 2024. Without further ado, I am not a financial advisor. What you're hearing is not financial advice. If you do plan on taking financial actions, I suggest you take precautions, and remember, risk management is very important. So, I made a video on the 14th predicting, explaining that we're currently on a trend in SPY, S&P 500, and we've been on a bullish trend since October 2023, and I was saying we're going to break this trend any day soon, and it looked like we broke this trend on the 15th. This was past Friday. We came all the way down to the 508 level, and we kind of bounced back, and I'm going to get a little further into this. But this is just an indication that yes, the trend is broken, and it's almost a confirmation that we're going to go down. Not to be too sure yet, you can't just you never know what the market is going to do, but there are definitely keys and signals stating that the bears are coming, and they are roaring. They smell tuna, they smell fish, they smell salmon. Hide your fish, hide your kids, hide your wives. The bears are coming, and we are very, very prepared over here, and we're looking forward to taking full advantage of the bears, and definitely the salmon coming. We want some salmon sandwiches. So I'm just going to minimize this page and get a little closer to what I believe is happening and what's going to happen. So, okay, so right here, I'm going to just copy and paste this. So, I have used white lines to, and this are the vertical white lines to highlight weeks, upcoming weeks. So right now, we are in the third week of March, which is from here to here, to here, 318 to 320, 322, and I'm going to make this, and the yellow mark is, and the green mark and the red. These are all crucial points in the charts, and I'm going to break them down on what I think is going to happen. So I'm going to take this from a daily chart to a 12-hour chart. So okay, maybe we come down a bit. Okay, so this has been the chart, and as you can see over here, we broke the trend last week Friday on the 15th, and this orange, okay, I'm just gonna, this strong orange trend was support or resistance, and we broke that, but there's also a second resistance I had over here that we didn't break, and right now we're currently seeing a bounce back. And so what I believe will happen is on Tuesday, well, today Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, we're gonna have a bounce back towards the 513-ish area, and then Jerome Powell is going to be speaking on Wednesday, I believe. Jerome Powell is speaking on Wednesday, and I believe Jerome Powell speech will bring the market down, and we're going to break this trend right here. And this is the 508 mark. We're going to break this trend, and it's going to bring us all the way down to this support right here on the 503 mark, which is where we're going to end the third week of March. So on the 22nd, we're looking at the 503-ish area zone, and we might have a bounce back towards the 508 area on the 26th, and then I'm looking for a massive flush all the way down to the 494 range. So that's just something to keep in mind. 494 range. This is a very important key part of the market, because I believe this is where we're going to end the month of March, the 494/495 range, and then the first 2 weeks of April, or first 3 weeks of April, will be a bounce back, but I truly believe it's going to be the first 2 weeks, which is around the mid-month. We're going to bounce back towards this area zone, which is the two trend lines we're currently bouncing back on. This is like the strongest trend line over here. So we're going to bounce back over here in this area. So from the 508 area to the 511 area, and around the 15th in April, I am expecting a massive flush. We come down, we break past the 503 resistance, and then we break down the 493 resistance, and then after that we have one more resistance to break through, or come to, I should say, which is the 477. So I see, for April, I see us starting off from the 494 range and bouncing up all the way to 512 range, which is the mid-April 15th, and then we have a massive drawdown to the 477 range. This is my view of the market right now. I am currently wishing everyone the best in this. And this makes sense towards this downward trend for this next 2 weeks coming up. So we shall see how it plays out. We'll see how it plays out, and best of luck. Like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do.